Hello ladies, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought that we would do a swatch video of all the eyeshadows I've been hauling. So that's going to include the new LaColors stuff that I've been hauling, the nude, the smoky, flashy, sassy, and including also the Maybelline Soda Pop palette. So we're going to swatch these. We're going to get started. First up, we have the LaColors Nude Eyeshadow. Now, there will be pictures inserted of these swatches as well. So, in this palette, you have two matte shades and two metallic shades that, you know, they're shimmery, but they're metallic. So, you have this basic skin tone nude shade, this red-brown shade, and then you have this beautiful goldeny metallic shade, and then this bronzy metallic shade. And their mattes are really nice. A bit powdery. Like, I barely touched the shadows. It's awesome. They're so nice. And LaColors eyeshadows, for the most part, are super blendable. So, they're easy to work with. Nude is $1, found with the 2 for $1 stuff at Family Dollar and Dollar General, and it is actually called Bear It All. And we have LaColors Smoky Eyeshadow Palette, and this one is called Heat It Up. Also found with the 2 for $1 displays at the dollar stores. So you get a nice shimmery white in here, you get a taupe shade, a charcoal gray, and you get a black. Super soft once again, and you only get one matte, and that is a borderline satin, and it's the black. The others are shimmery. I wouldn't classify them as metallic, really. Once again, really good pigmentation. These are going to make for a great smoky eye. And for eyeshadows of this quality to be $1, honestly, I mean, just can't beat the quality that LaColors have really strived to be now. And just a reminder, in case anybody forgot, I do not swatch the eyeshadows over any kind of primer. I just swatch them straight from the palette onto my arm. That's it. Next up, we have Sassy. Beautiful palette for fall. Beautiful. Look at all the warm shades in here. You have a nice mix of mattes and shimmeries. None of these shades are super metallic, but they are shimmery. You have the mattes. I am just obsessed with that beautiful plummy shade there. It's so dark and nice and rich. Oh, it's so beautiful. And these are $1, and I found them with the Christmas displays at Family Dollar. There was Sassy, Classy, and Flashy at my store, and I picked up the Sassy and Flashy. Now, in these palettes, I do find that some of them are hits, some of them are misses. But for $1 to pick up 12 shades, I mean, that's still pretty good. Let's do another layer of that. I got like barely the tip of that. And I love that they've been throwing that beautiful orangey brown shades in the palettes. They're so beautiful. And I like that the mattes that are available in this palette are very sultry and warm. Actually really beautiful. So I'm going to insert some swatch pictures and some video of this. And also I wanted to mention that a couple of the mattes, yes, are powdery. And the shimmeries, some of them are a little bit powdery as well. But overall, I mean, once again, $1. You know. I do think all these shades are really beautiful and a good mix of some cool tones in there and some warm shades, but more warm. The possibilities are endless with these 12 shade palettes, you guys, and for $1, lots of beautiful looks can be created for that. Next and last LaColors new palette that I found. Once again, the Christmas display at Family Dollar had these for $1. So this beautiful palette here, once again, 12 shades for $1. You get a mix of mattes, metallics, and shimmers in this palette here. And look at the gorgeous green shades in there. I'm so excited for this particular palette. Now, I can already tell you right off the bat, some of these are going to be chunky and powdery. And of course, in a palette like this, for $1, you're going to have hits, you're going to have misses. You know, it just is what it is. You're taking a gamble, but for $1, now, those two shades that I thought were going to be so metallic, they're actually like chunky shimmery shades that are not swatching that well. But maybe with a secondary base, we'll see a big difference in that. So some of these, you just got to work with them. I don't know. I mean, this one isn't as pigmented, I feel, as the Sassy palette. But these 3 shades alone, to me, were worth $1. I like these as well. Kind of disappointed at swatching these right here, which are these 2 shades here in the palette, 4 and 5. Some of the mattes are kind of light in this area, nude shades, but they'll be good for highlighting, and they'll also be good for transition shades in your crease. Well, I'm going to insert some pictures. Last and final palette we have today to swatch is the Maybelline Soda Pop palette. You can find this for $10 at Walmart. And this also, like the Lemonade Craze, has a scent to it. I can't really describe what that is, but I'm assuming it might be like root beer or some other soda like scent. And of course you have a nice mix of mattes and shimmers in here, and look at them beautiful pops of colors. So let's get started on this. They're very soft. Yeah, some of them's powdery. Right off the bat, I can tell you already they're going to be powdery, some of them. So excited to use this. I don't care. A little bit patchy. I mean, could have probably got a better swatch than that. I'm sure these are going to work great on the eyes, though. Look at this beautiful shades. I'm liking it so far, though. And I think because they're scented too, it's just a nice bonus. Oh my, those are so creamy. Those were so creamy, you guys. So, like, chilling, tonic, ginger ale, sugar high, crushing, cola float, soda fizz, grape pop, cherry on top, root beer, cherry cola, and blue raspberry. What fun names. Well, I went over the swatches, like, one more time, just to get a better idea, and they're beautiful, and the shimmery shades are more softer and seem to be more pigmented than some of the mattes in the shade palette. So that is what it is. But the shimmery ones are so nice. They're so nice. So I'm still super excited for the combinations and stuff that I'm going to be able to come up with in this palette. Also, like I did with the Lemonade Craze palette, you guys, I'm going to do all 3 of these looks and then come up with some of my own as well. So definitely be on the lookout for that. I'm going to search some pictures of this now. Hope you guys enjoyed the swatch video. Stay tuned for more swatch videos. Check the description box for additional links. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Stay tuned for tutorials using all of these palettes. Also, I already filmed 2 of these that are already live using the LaColors Bare It All eyeshadow palette, so I will link those in the description box below as well. Thank you guys for watching.